Play the videos in USB drive. Curtain down, turn the lights off.
Hi guys, welcome. My name is Carlos. I'm here at Epson America's new headquarters in Southern California, and I'm very excited to show you the new EpiqVision Ultra LS500 laser projection TV. For the first time, we're bringing up to 120 inches to your living room, and it's actually affordable. A bigger picture creates a much more immersive experience. 100 inches is not just 15 inches more than 85, it's actually 40% bigger. And if you go to the 120 inches solution, you're getting twice as big of a picture. The technology behind the Epson laser projection TV is that of an ultra short throw laser projector. Laser means virtually no maintenance with no bulbs to replace, and ultra short throw means the projector sits only a few feet away from the wall. The laser projection TV is driven by 3-chip, 3 LCD design. That means that we're using the 3 primary colors to produce amazing color brightness, up to 4,000 lumens in color and up to 4,000 lumens in white. So what is the resolution of this TV? It's based on Epson's 4K Pro UHD technology for an amazing 4K experience. Because this TV is so bright, the HDR performance is just amazing. For those of you who want to fine-tune the HDR, we've built in an HDR control that allows you to adjust it based on your preference and viewing environment. What's super impressive is that even in an environment in which you have the lights on or open curtains, the picture looks super bright. That's thanks to the projector design, ultra short throw, and the ambient light rejection screen we paired it with. For those of you excited about the next generation gaming consoles, good news, the Epson laser projection TV supports 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR. This TV has 2 available HDMI ports, both of them supporting the 2.0 standard, and that means 18 gigabits per second. One of them supports auto return channel as well to connect an external audio system. This TV comes with a set of stereo speakers that are hidden behind the mesh. But we really recommend you to hook up an external sound system that matches up with this great picture. It also produces no glare, so there's no reflections. It has over 170 degrees of viewing angle, so the picture holds regardless of where you're standing in the room. It weighs under 30 pounds, so it's pretty easy to hang it from the wall, and there's no wires to hide. To facilitate access to content, we've partnered with the leading brand that developed the operating system. We're bringing to you Google's Android TV, which gives you access with their stores to hundreds of applications that you can download. The screen is a critical component to the Epson laser projection TV system, so we decided to design it and engineer it ourselves. It's the Epson Silver Flex screen. This is the 100-inch version. We also produced a 120-inch version. And the beauty of it is that it rejects the light coming from different places, but it optimizes at the same time the light coming from the projector for the best viewing experience. We've covered a lot in this video, but you really had to see it with your own eyes to believe. Go to epson.com/TV to find the closest demo center to you, and don't be afraid to bring your own content to judge it.
think you need a big room to get that big screen movie experience at home? Think again. Featuring incredible visual detail and amazing color in a wall-to-wall image, ViewSonic's ultra-short throw projectors deliver a bright and immersive experience perfect for any home theater, no matter the size. Thanks to an ultra-short throw lens, you can set these projectors inches away from your projection surface and still get a huge, true HD image for less cost than a comparably sized TV. In fact, these projectors are great for both large and small rooms, with screen sizes ranging from 70 inches to 150 inches. And with a projector placed just inches away from a wall, that means no tangled wires and no distracting shadows can get in your way. To take full advantage of the incredible images projected, we recommend pairing our ultra-short throw projectors with our optional black diffuser screen. Not only is this black screen a perfect match for your home theater decor, but it also enhances contrast and helps to eliminate washed-out images in ambient light.